Hi guys, welcome to diversemelanin. Big up yourselves, everybody. Don't mind the crazy. Okay, so today we're gonna do a hair tutorial. Okay, and it's just gonna be simple styles that you guys can do on the go when you don't have time to be worrying about curls and this and that. Because when you out here, especially if you're a student and you have kids or you have to be at work at 5 o'clock in the blinking morning, nobody has time. So I'm just gonna show you a few quick styles and I hope you like them. So the first style that I'm gonna do is a quick low bun that has a couple twists at the front. Okay, so as you can see, this is how my hair is. So guys, I colored my hair for the first time in my hair's life, so because of that I have to do some additional things. So I'll show you while we're going through the front, and I have the back clipped, okay, and out of place. So I want a side part, so I'm gonna go ahead, but I think I want it slanted a little, so I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. Let's see.
Purchase your tracks today.
The products that I use for moisturizing is either any oils that I have in my kitchen, coconut oil, olive oil. If I have shea butter, I use that. Lately, I have been using this. It's the Main Choice butter. I believe, tell you something, this I use almost every day. Look at that. Look at that. All right, and I've only had it for a few months. I love this thing. Okay, it keeps my hair moisturized. It smells amazing. So I use this, but first I use water to spray my ends. So I'm gonna do that just a little bit. Not a lot, because I don't want it to be saturated, you know, with water. Then I'm gonna take just a little bit of my butter and rub the ends with it, okay? And then kind of work it up as I go along, okay? Then I'm gonna take my daily moisturizer, also from the Main Choice. It also works as a sealing cream, so I'm gonna use this to seal the moisture at the end of my hair. And again, I only need a little because I want to make sure that my ends are protected. Also, it's winter time. It's cool, and you want to make sure so your hair not drop off because nobody have time for that. Okay then. Gently comb up my hair or detangle my hair. I say comb up my hair. I don't use detangle. That kind of too fancy for my life. All right, so I'm gonna gently comb out my hair, and then I'm gonna take my favorite thing in the world, my EcoStyle coconut oil gel. Okay, this is life, and not a lot. Why I can't open up something? You know, so I look like I have somebody. Cause you can't make your hair look like say you're coming off of the street. Cause you go in places, you have to go to class, you have to go to work, you have to look presentable. No must. All right, I'm gonna take my brush and just gently brush my ends, okay?
Purchase your tracks today.
So now I'm gonna do the next side, and I'm doing the same thing to it. Moisturize my ends, moisturize the rest of my hair, seal that bad boy in, you know, grease up my edges so it look like I have somebody, and twist down. So guys, when you use this gel, I don't know about other gels, but for the EcoStyle gel, it doesn't usually flake. At the beginning, it may look a little white, but trust me, it will dry out. All right, and then it will look like there was nothing in it to begin with. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this down. Okay.
Purchase your tracks today.
right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and unclip the back part. Okay, so basically the same thing I did to prepare the front, I'm gonna do to the back. I'm gonna take out a scrunchie and just put it to my head. All I'm going to do, I'm going to take my hair, okay, and kind of gather it at the end. All right, twist the end just a little bit and bring it up. Okay, black ear pin. They can't see that. And just pin it down. Just pin it down like that. All right. Then you could take your hand and kind of, you know, make it fatter, however you want it to look. All right. If you want to pin it down some more, you can pin it down some more. Then I'm going to take my other bobby pin them and pin the rest of my hair. I'm going to brush up my ends just a little bit more so look just a little neater. Okay, so this will be the perfect time if you wanted to go ahead and tie your head down. Just tie it down with a scarf. It's on for a couple minutes, and this is, like I said, when I would brush my face, brush my teeth, wash my face, eat my little cereal, drink my little Milo. Big up to my Jamaican, never know Milo, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the final product. So I have, when I do buns, I like to give the illusion of it being a lot of hair. You can do it a couple ways. You can actually add extensions if you want, but if not, just stay tuned. What I'm gonna do is section out the middle part of my hair, okay? So I'm actually gonna use my hand and kind of section out the middle. What I'm gonna do is just use my hand and just gently guide where exactly I want this bun to be positioned. All right, I want it to be as far up to the front as I can possibly get it, okay? So use my scrunchie and just get that scrunch did up, and I'm gonna start from the back, okay, and then work my way around to the front.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, and scrunch it up. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my back up first, okay, and then go ahead and bring up the sides. Get it as tight or loose as you want. Then this is when I usually take out the clip from the top and dash it with somewhere. Go ahead and put in my scrunchie. A couple ways you can style this. All right, I am going to do a couple twists and twist around back side. I'm gonna go ahead and pin where I think is needed, right here, and pick round the back. Okay, me like it, me love it. I saw me going with things. Take my brush and just fix up my edges. Okay, tie it down, and that's it. And this is your style number 2. Alright, beautiful people. Alright, so we're just gonna do another style, something that's out for those of you who like to have your hair out and free and flowing and whatever. Alright, so go ahead and part this out of the way. And for this one, I kind of do want it as straight as I can possibly get it. I want a triangle. Da 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 da. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tidy up my ends again and make shiny bump number 2.
Purchase your tracks today.
To how I want it to be.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so I'm gonna take a big piece of wire and decorate my hair like a Christmas tree. You cut my eye, TonyaMae, don't you cut your eye. Okay, so at this point, I'm just gonna make my hair how I want it to be, as full as I want it to be. I like fullness in my life. A shake. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. These are the 3 protective styles that you can try out. Let us know how you like them, how they turned out, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Thumbs up. Bye, guys.